Hi friends, let me show you this pendant light that I received for viewing purposes. Really, really pretty. It's like for the kitchen, for your bedroom. You put it in the ceiling like this, and it has an adjustable length. Okay? Let me show you. This is the actual LED lamp. And you can put this like this in this big glass part. And that's it. That's the lamp we're going to install in our playroom, okay? So let's do it. Now we install it, we're going to wire it, and we are ready to use it. We decided to have this length because that's the height that we like in our playroom. So now we have our light ready. As you can see, it gives a nice bright light. You can use it for a playroom like this one, to put it in your kitchen, in your bedroom. You can have it in different heights, as I told you, and it's a nice light for every room. Let me turn it off and on. As you can see, nice lighting. Let me show you the lamp. Okay, it has a black body and just this crystal part, but it's black in the top, so it looks very nice in rooms like this one. Thank you.